Hello guys, welcome to Plan for Visit. Tesla has recently introduced Gemini wheel cover of 90-inch for the Model Y in North America for $500. You can still choose the old silver one if you want them. A recent post on X, the Kilowatts shared a photo of Model Y unit with black and silver Gemini wheel without the aero cover. These photos suggest that the Tesla could be getting ready to launch the black Gemini wheels in the US, perhaps other market, after only being available in certain market in Asia and being highly requested elsewhere. Last month, Tesla has also launched the black Gemini wheels for Model Y in Australia.